Hi guys, my name is Ashwin, and this is my first look at the OS 2.0 that was released today. That is the 21st of February 2012. So I just had my playbook updated to OS 2.0, and it's just rebooted after the update. The first thing that we see, that strikes me here is that the numbers are being added to the keyboard. Okay, let me quickly sign in. Enter my password. Okay, this is common knowledge if you've seen my old videos. It's QWERTY. Okay, so OS 2.0 has been, we've been expecting it for quite some time. So let's just see what's different. I'll just go ahead, add my accounts and stuff, and be back in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I've added my Facebook, Twitter and Gmail accounts onto the playbook. So let me just go ahead and open up the calendar app. Okay, the calendar app is something that is a part of the OS 2.0. So with the calendar app right now, I've gone ahead and added. Let me just go into settings. So here we have three: the playbook, Gmail, and my Facebook stuff. So if I want to view just one of these calendars, I can just tick these off and see that, or I can have all three at the same time. Well, I don't have too many events on my calendar, but I read it somewhere that if you have too many events on a certain date, the date itself looks darker. Let me just do that. Let me just add a few events for today. As you can see, the more number of events you have on a certain date, it is highlighted more. So as you can see, the 22 is bigger than the 21 because I've got two events on this date, test 1 and test 2 set up. So that's a cool feature. And we also have a new feature under people, so you can see a list of people that show up on today's on the certain dates agenda and stuff. So that's pretty decent. You've got three different views: the day view, agenda people again, and the whole calendar view. And under settings, we've got the default meeting duration, default meeting reminder, all day meeting reminder, reminder snooze, calendar view, first day of the week, which is Sunday or Monday, working hours, week numbers, first week starts, calendar preferences again. And you go into account configuration, you go back to this window. So that's pretty much it for the calendar settings. The next app is the contacts app. So again, this pulls contacts from the accounts that you've signed up. So it's pulled my Facebook contacts, Twitter, and my Gmail contacts. So see, that's a Twitter one, that's the Facebook, so on. And on this side, we've got tabs as to this is the information tab. Okay, let me take a contact for example. So it's bio, stuff. This is for LinkedIn connections. Okay, you can start it or you can edit it. Okay, I'm just going back, or link it. You can go ahead and link it to a different profile if you have multiple instances of the same contact. So again, you got an option of scrolling this way between various letters. So let's just quickly pop into the settings. You've got an option of sorting it, first name, last name, and company, and then again you have the help bar, help option over there. Or you could search for the contact using the search bar. And another thing I've noticed is that the minimized windows seem a little bigger. I don't know, I guess they do look a little bigger. The third app is the messages app. So sorry. So this is basically where your Facebook, Twitter, direct messages and your emails pop up. So here's my email, my Facebook, okay, I'm not really gonna go into my Facebook account right now for obvious reasons. Again, you've got the quick reply stuff, quick settings, that's pretty useful. But one thing, the messages app does not have a, portrait mode. So on a 7-inch tab, usually typing on a portrait mode is a lot easier. You can do the thumb typing, which would not be possible right now. So that's something I thought you'd like to note. And again, you've got the selection. You can select. Let's go into settings. Okay, you have an option of displaying messages as single messages or conversations, hide filled messages, hide send messages, confirm delete, download images by default, display message count, display a new message indicator, and you've got your email preferences again. The signature option. Just to let you guys know, the messages app also includes Twitter and stuff. So I don't think I've got too deep into it, so let me just quickly open it up again. So on to Twitter. So I could message any friend of mine. So I'm gonna message Aloy and send it. And I've tweeted from the playbook. Another nice addition that you might have noticed while I was sending the tweet is that the keyboard has been reworked on. So generally when you type in, you get this the predictive text on top, and you also have an autocorrect option with OS 2.0. So say I'm gonna say hi, so it predicts what you're gonna type next. So either hi guys, are you looking into this for me? So I typed a sentence, and I've you actually typed a minimum words into the keyboard. So the predictive aspect of this keyboard is pretty amazing. I've just been playing around with this for the last 15-20 minutes. So of the my first impression, it looks good. So that's that for the messages app. Another one that I thought would be worth mentioning is print to go. How that works is just anything from a PDF file to a web page, you just need to hit print on the computer, select print to go, sign in with your Blackberry ID, and it gets sent wirelessly to your playbook. As of now, I've not been able to run it on my PC, so I won't be able to show you guys exactly how it is. But it is supposed to pop up into this app. So I haven't been able to do it right now, so I'm not gonna be showing you that. Okay, now the main attraction of the OS 2.0 has been the Android player. To anybody who's been using a rooted or a jailbroken playbook with Android Market, there's some bad news over here, because upgrading to the OS 2.0 does kind of kill Market off. So if you've been using a rooted playbook till now, you would not be able to continue. You would not be able to continue using Android Market. But then again, a new jailbreak would come out sometime in the future, and I'll probably make a tutorial on how to get that done. So as of now, the Android apps work pretty decent. So I'll just run a game over here, pool, just to show you. So it's pretty smooth. Okay, another thing with the Android app player is that if you want to any Android app you run is going to be running inside the app player. So if you want to just take a look at the recently used Android apps, you just do a swipe from the left bottom to the left side of the bezel, you just swipe it and you go back into the recent applications. So that's it for the Android player. The video chat app seems to work right now, but I don't have any any contacts to actually call and test it out. So I mean, it never opened up for me till now, and with the one after the OS 2 installation, OS 2.0 installation, it seems to open up. So I guess that's working as well. What else? I also I was going through the forums and stuff, and I've read some stuff saying that Documents to Go has also been worked on, saying that a more functionality has been incorporated into it. So I've just opened it up and seen it a little bit, and I see a lot more options available, but I've not really gone into it. When I do a full review of the OS 2.0, I'd probably check everything out and get back with one. But as of now, this is what I know for a first look video. Music player still seems pretty much the same. If there is anything new that's been incorporated into it, I do not see that. That's pretty much it, guys. Still, as far as App World is concerned, we don't have a separate market for Android apps. It's all incorporated into the App World. And again, not to sound negative, I still don't see a lot of Android apps. Well, it's gonna take time to get developers, so there are not a lot of apps yet, but they should be coming in after that OS 2.0 is released. So that's pretty much it for the first look video, guys. If you have any kind of questions, one last thing that I wanna add is that I feel personally that the camera seems faster. I'm able to take pictures a lot quicker than I was able to prior to the OS 2.0
Well, that's pretty much
it, guys, for the first look video on the OS 2.0 release for Blackberry Playbook. So if you guys have any kind of questions, please leave it in the comment section or send me a message. And before you go, please hit like and subscribe to my videos. Yep, I'm gonna plug it in. Thanks a lot for watching. You guys have a great day. Yeah, you can follow me at Cursed4Eva on Twitter. The link to my Facebook page is in the description. If you have any questions and you want to email me, it's ash@cursed4eva.com. That's ash@cursed4eva.com. Thanks a lot for watching again. You guys have a great day. Bye bye now.